G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. At the moment we're up here at Mercruiser Cove, South Australia. Stunning spot, absolutely wonderful. Now check this out. Absolutely classed out today. We're taking a Bayliner 275 back from Mercruiser Cove to Adelaide for sale. This boat's fantastic, good condition, engine's been replaced. There's a bit of my gear in there, excuse that, we'll have a proper walkthrough a bit later. But this is about a 2.5 hour journey, so about as good as a pre-sale sea trial is going to get, straight down the coast. So yeah, let's get to driving. I'll have the drone up so we can have a bit of a look at how she's going from the outside, but otherwise really looking forward to this trip. Cheers. Good charging, oil pressure's not bad, so everything's running as intended. But just look at that, we're just sitting on a nice easy 19 knots. Haven't missed a beat. About an hour into the trip, everything's holding fine, temps are great, oil pressure hasn't budged, and she's just humming along. And just when you thought that you couldn't get better conditions than earlier on, we're just coming to the end of the trip. The sun's starting to dip in the sky, and check this out. That is just amazing. Geez, I hate my job, but somebody's got to do it. So we're back on board this Bayliner 275 after a fantastic run down the coast just yesterday. Pearler of a day, unfortunately. The weather has changed, but we're on board. We're going to have a look through. We're going into the interior. We'll start downstairs today. Step down. So typical Bayliner layout, obviously, but the boat itself does look to be in very good condition. The V-berth bunks at the front, TV on a swivel arm. This is for the barbecue, which we'll look at in a second. Table's all in good condition, the upholstery is fantastic, all the lighting is working. So the galley's quite well appointed. Tap and microwave, hot and cold stainless sink, Origo hot plate, storage underneath. Across the way is the Dometic galley fridge there, just below this seating. So good layout. There's storage all under here. Adjacent to the galley is the head. Jabsco manual toilet, sink with your pull-out hot cold shower, here we have our little switch panel, sound system. This is obviously to monitor batteries and charge. I believe that's to do with the solar. Underneath that bin drops down into the central bilge aft, standard layout. Double bed back here. Sorry, it's a touch dark today. This is the stainless barbecue with the grill plate that you see back here, with just another sort of removable bait board. But these boats, fantastic little layout. The 275, very similar to the 285. Good seating arrangement. Plenty of berths for 4 people. So you get the family and some guests on there. So that's the interior, all looking very good. We'll have a look at the timber floor underneath. So that's all very nice. This carpet's great for protecting that. Let's have a look outside at some of the features that we've got in the cockpit area. So we'll start at the helm. iPad holder, nice Lowrance chart plotted GPS, working very well. Obviously we used that during the sea trial. You've seen some of that footage. Beautiful rundown, didn't miss a beat. GME VHF. Just standard dash switches. Now this boat, we'll have a look at the engine in a second. This boat has had a replacement, so the new hour gauge, we have 44 hours on the replacement engine, so fantastic, basically new. Clears are in serviceable condition, nothing wrong with those. Bimini's fine. All the covers on the boat are presenting quite well, so plenty of life left in those. Now, fitted in the cockpit here for extra fridge space is a 12 volt basically car fridge. So you got a little ice tray, little fridge there for nibbles, drinks, whatever you want to use when you're out and about. Chase lounge, and of course the reversible backrest here, which you see on all these Bayliners. Fantastic. So now you've got this aft dinette, custom table which can be removed. Aft seat folds up, there's a bit of storage behind there. Underneath, again, a bit of storage here, and we're currently standing on that engine hatch, so we'll have a look in there shortly. But this is another fantastic addition to the boat. Done properly, it's priceless. The extended custom swim platform, custom railing at the back, an outboard bracket. You can see the dinghy davit points for the tender. On top is your solar. They've installed a bit of custom seating back here on a nice big cool box, which is fantastic. But these are the covers from the outside. Here's the solar up top. So yeah, this boarding platform's a lovely addition. Very well set up for decent trips away, spot of fishing. Really opens the back of the boat up, which is fantastic. All right, let's jump into the engine bay. So engine hatch is up. She's running the Mercruiser 350 mag MPI. As you mentioned, 44 hours on this beauty. So off to a great start. They're brand new batteries. All of these have literally just been replaced. Just before I undertook the sea trial, they all got replaced. New bilge pump was installed. New batteries. So again, standard Bayliner layout, but we've got what I assume to be 2 house batteries and a start battery, so plenty of power there. Shore power and trickle charged from the solar. So yeah, there we go. Bayliner 275. All in all, she is in good condition. The only thing that I would say is the upholstery needs a bit of a tidy up. But apart from that, mechanically, I think we're well ahead there with the new engine. Runs your standard Muir windlass, new batteries, runs beautifully. It was a fantastic sea trial, and of course the interior again, which is in very good condition for the age of the boat. So all in all, a great Bayliner 275. So if you're interested in a boat such as this with these sort of options, then please do get in contact. And as usual, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.